today we'll see what are the different services provided at the various levels of the cloud computing. We have seen many times what is the cloud computing, how is that, how it works, all those things. Cloud computing in general, if you talk, then what exactly it is, basically a step on from utility computing. Basically, according to the need, we are providing the services, and that exactly is the cloud computing. A collection, group of integrated and network hardware, software, internet infrastructure called as platforms. Using the internet for communication and transport provides hardware. It is going to provide software, network services to the cloud. Any kind of services, either in the form of hardware or in the form of software, or it is in the form of networking, or any type of services, those we can provide, and client are in acceptance. So that can be provided. This platform hides the complexity and details of underlying infrastructure from users to the application by providing very simple graphical interface or APIs, application programming interfaces. So if you see the diagram, the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, service value, nets. Now these are by means of this, like these are the infrastructure those we required, different servers, hard disk, storage capacities, any kind of the hard structures that you are requiring will come under the infrastructure as a service. In the platform as a service, if you can see, business services, IT services, community services, so they are all merged together. They are talking to each other, and they are providing a platform as a service. In the service value nets, you can see that service, various clients, those are connected together, and they are asking for different type of services supposed to be provided, which is talking to the platform, which is talking to the infrastructure anyway. So these are the different layers. Now if you talk about the cloud computing, computer network, in this computer complete networks are there. There is a server, there can be a storage database devices, there can be n number of applications, and these all are connected together. So they required a computer supposed to be connected into the network, and these all services supposed to be provided. Shared pool of configurable computing resources, on demand network provision by the service providers. Now there are many common characteristic of the cloud computing. Under this, if you see, this is the massive scale, homogeneity, virtualization. These are all the feature characteristic of the cloud computing. Advanced security, service orientation, geographical distribution, resilient computing. These are all the characteristic that it's supposed to have, which we have seen before also. And essential characteristics we see: on-demand services, self-services, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, measured services. These are all the essential characteristic of the cloud computing. Now if you see the service model, under this service model, all these things, this is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, If you see all this, different SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, these are all service providers. So in the service providing model, these infrastructure, platform, and the software, they are providing the different services. So if you see in the software, Salesforce, CRM, Lotus Live, these are all providing you the software as in service. If you see Google App Engine, which is providing you platform as in service, Windows, Azure, these are all providing different services. It will going to platform as in service, it will going to deploy customers created applications, it providers applications. Okay, now if you talk infrastructure as a service, so in that particular case, infrastructure as a service, rent, processing, storage, network capacity, communicating resources, this all will going to come in this. So Amazon Web Services are providing a lot of infrastructure as a service, and Rackspace Hosting also providing various infrastructure as a service. So all things are coming in the form of services. That is what Google Pay Engine, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. So these are all cloud infrastructure. In level 1, if you see ad hoc customers, one instance per customers, configure per customer in software as in service, then configurable multi-tenant efficient, scalable configurable, and multiple tenant efficient. So how it happens is, instance, there can be a tenant 1, tenant 2, tenant 3. Here if you see instance, one tenant is attached, it is tenant 2 is attached, tenant 3 is attached. Okay, so instance, there can be n number of instances, or tenant load balance, how they are doing the balancing in this. So instances are there, and different tenant, they are all together balanced. So different cloud layers, if you see, so storage platform, Amazon S3, Dell, Apple, they are providing all these. Server platforms, 3 Tera, EC2, Slice Host, GoGrid, RightScale, Linode. Application platform, if you see, Google App Engine, Mozo, Force.com, Engine Yard, Facebook, Heroku, AWS, Application Services, MS Live, Exchange Labs, IBM Google Apps, Salesforce.com, these are all application services. Zoho, Cisco, they are providing different cloud computing layers. Now in cloud computing services, we are seeing only the services, basically main force, what actually the services it is providing. So services, if we talk, so services, complete business service such as PayPal, OpenID, Auth0, Google Maps, Alexa, these are all services that we are getting. Application focus, if you see, application cloud-based software that eliminates the need for local installations such as Google Apps, Microsoft Onlines. If you talk about deployments, then deployment softwares, platform used to build custom cloud-based application, PaaS and SaaS such as Salesforce and all. Platform, cloud-based platforms typically provided using virtualization such as Amazon ECC, Sun, Grid, like that. If you talk about the service infrastructure focus, then storage mainly comes. So storage, data storage, or cloud-based NAS such as Cetra, iDisk, Cloud NAS. So these are all storage infrastructure focus services. Hosting, if I talk, then hosting physical data centers such as those run by IBM, HP, Navisite, etc. So these are all different cloud computing servicing layers, which is focusing on application focus, or it can be infrastructure focus. So in the infrastructure focus, you can focus on platform, you can focus on storage, you can focus on hosting, and in application you can focus on services, applications, and the developments. Software as a service, as you have already seen, SaaS is a model of software development where an application is hosted as a service provided to customers across the internet. SaaS alleviates the burden of software maintenance support, but users control over software versions and requirement. Terms that are used in this sphere include platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, virtual workspace, an abstraction of an execution environment that can be made dynamically available to authorized client by using well-defined protocols. Resource quota, for example, CPU memory share, software configuration, operating system provided services. Implementation on virtual machines, if you see, then you will go through the VMware, which is providing you the facility more than one machine filling, more than one operating system, and hypervisor is playing a major role on this, and various number of application you can run on this type of virtual machine, which is the feature of the cloud computing. It is going to provide infrastructure, APIs, application program interfaces. Virtual machines, technology allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical machine or the hardware with the help of this hypervisor, which is using Zen, VMware, UML, Daniel, any the extra type of features by which it can be made a VMware, different virtual machines, and in that virtual machine you can run Linux, Net, BSD, Windows, anything that you want you can run on this. And performance para virtualization is very close to raw physical performance. Some commercial cloud offerings are Amazon Web Services, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2 beta version is also available. GoGrid beta is there. Sun Power of Network.com, Beehive, Moso, Joint, Vario, these are all some commercial cloud offerings are available. If you see the taxonomy of cloud computing, then under infrastructure services there are n number of names are available, which is providing you storage, compute, service management. These are all listing that you can see. Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, those are most familiar, Kava, Scala. These are all infrastructure services. Cloud softwares, if you see, cloud management, compute and data, there are various the brands are available by which they are providing these cloud softwares. Software services, if you see, there are various software services are available. Platform services are also available with the help of this Amazon SQS, or Force.com. These are all providing different services in the cloud. mainly we are focusing on to the cloud storage. So several large web companies are now exploiting the fact that they have data storage capacity that can be hired out of others, allow data stored remotely to the temporarily cache on desktop computers, mobile phones, or other internet linked devices. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud and Simple Storage Solutions S3 are well known examples of Mechanical Turk. Amazon simple storage services, if you see, that is pay for what you use, that kind of infrastructures are available, and $20 per gigabyte of data transferred. So these are the monthly rentals also available. Second Life update, 1 terabytes, 40,000 downloads in 24 hours for rupees, for $200. So these are all the facilities they are providing. Utility computing EC2, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2, Elastic Marshall 200 PCs via AWS, machines specs fairly cheap, powered by Zen. So different from VMware and VPS as use para virtualization. So Linux, Windows, Open Solaris, Management Console AP, these are all utility computing which is provided. So these are the different services that IaaS, SaaS and PaaS they are providing with the help of different service model. Thank you.